y'all. I'm out here playing in the mud. Bring the people over here so I can show them Junior. See how he's already whining for me? What's up, boy? This is Junior, y'all, by the way. I do not want to see your butt. This is Junior, y'all.
Tell the other horse's name. The other horse's name is Noah.
Hey, get out of my video. You're just supposed to be a camera lady right now. Women. I always want to put their little piece of salt in it. Y'all excuse the tree people because they just got a lot of things going on. This is Noah. Like, what is it? Noah's Ark? Is that what it is? Noah's Ark. Noah. He has no teeth, so we gotta, you know, kind of wet his food. So I'm gonna take you guys over to the ponies and orchard for Capitan and Derby. You heard me? You hear what I said? Hey girl. Look. Look. He's gonna run from me now. Come here. Come here. Hey boy. This is Derby. Derby's a miniature pony. Miniature horse. I'll show y'all another pony, but he's not miniature. The breed is pony, but come on. Where are you going? Why are you following me, Captain? I'm sorry, boy. He got me.
Oh man. Oh man. Okay, let's try one more time.
Oh my god. He's so small, so he looks funny when he's running. I didn't drag today. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Capitan. Capitan.
You going, boy. Look at him. Look at him. He's already winding up his head.
Getting the hay. What is this for? Overnight?
Overnight. This is orchard.
He's gonna throw it out there for Capitan. That's Capitan's hay. And that one is Derby's. The water is overflowing right there. Oh, what kind of hay is that?
This is coastal hay. It's a darker. The other one was greener. It was orchard.
Now where we're going?
Back barn.
Back barn.
All the fun horses are at.
All the food for them. What is that one?
This is high fiber. They gotta get it, smashed up. Smashy, chopped up. It's like big woodchucks. We finna head to the big barn. So, come on. At the big barn. It's where we have all our thoroughbreds, quarter horses, and all that fun stuff. Yeah, I like to keep the cart organized so we know where things are. I'm coming. Look at Monty just shaking his head like, come here, baby. Alright, so we have 3, 6, 9, 10, 3, 6, 9, 9 horses in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the front. Which gives it a total of 14 horses. Right? 13 horses. 13. Alright, so why don't y'all come with me? First one we going to is ET. I'm coming. Hold on. They know it's feed time, y'all. They know it's feed time. He's gonna start handshaking in a minute. You're gonna hear it. She just won't stop spinning in circles because she knows it's food time. So are you gonna feed me? You're not gonna feed me. You're gonna feed me? You're not gonna feed me. That's all she's doing. Spinning in circles. Next one. Hey, E.T. Hey, boy. This is E.T., y'all. No, he does not look like E.T. They just call him E.T. And it's funny how he knows where his food go right there. He's like, are you going to put it in or are you not going to put it in? Huh? Oh, no. He heard the food fall already, that's why he Next one is Czar. And she's just still spinning in circles. Once you stop, I'll come in and feed you. Czar. Czar. As soon as I go in, she's gonna go straight to the bucket, watch. What did I say? I'm coming. You see her? She's like, you coming or what? Look at her. I'm coming or what? I'm coming, come on. That's Czar, y'all. She's so cute.
That's the one that be kicking.
Yeah. He's Mr. Biter over here. Boone. Boone is so sweet. My favorite horse other than him. Come on. Back up. Over there. Come on. Back up. Go back. Come on. Over here. Keep going.
This is Boone.
Oh, boom, y'all. He does not like to be bothered while he's eating.
This is my favorite right here. Hi, Monty. Hi.
This is Monty, y'all. He is a licker.
This is the pony.
Oh, I was about to say.
This is the pony.
He's a pony breed. He's not a pony. He's just huge. Ain't that right, boy? Ain't that right, boy?
He's going back to get more food.
I'm coming.
Monty is hungry.
Monty.
She is so pretty. He is so pretty. Look at his feet.
He's just huge. He's just huge.
Look at how pretty.
Whoa, you gonna chill there, boy? Huh?
What?
He dug in like. Can you swallow? You see him? I'm coming. This is Cody.
Cody.
Hey, Cody. Come on, Cody. Cody. Look at him. Look at him. He's like, yeah, feed me or what? Yeah, feed me or what? Is this Kobe? The boy.
Kobe as in boy.
Kobe.
Kobe. That's what I said.
This is Kobe.
That's what I said. There's a Cody and a Kobe.
B as in boy, because he's a boy.
Now, can you tell me why you're wetting that?
It's just a vitamin that's too hard for them. So we gotta soak it. It's like a multi-grain. You gotta soak it for them.
You miss Libby.
Aaron, I'm coming. Libby. And she's farting at the same time. You done stunk it up for me. You wanna come in there? I'm coming though. See the foam coming out of her mouth?
Mm-hmm. She's greedy.
Come on, baby. She's hungry.
This is who?
Aaron.
Aaron.
He's a quarter horse thoroughbred.
He hit you?
He went like this with his face.
It took too long. He ain't playing about his food. And this is Desi.
This is Desi. Sweet, sweet Desi.
Hey, Desi.
Sweet, sweet Desi.
Hi.
Come on, girl. Back it up. Back it on up. Back it on up.
I'm a motherfucking star boy. Every day a nigga try to test me, yeah. Every day a nigga try to end me, yeah.